Hey there, Stampin' Geeks! It's Mayumi here from stampingeek.com. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to make this box holder, and this one here fits a Stampin' mist. You can put this at the side of your desk, and you can add some more items, let's say a bone folder, that common necessities that we use for our stamping projects. I also add some markers down here, and it stands perfectly on my craft desk. And some of the glue pen, my aqua painter, my gel pen, and they are just right here beside me. So today I'm going to show you how to make this. It's really fun. It might sound complicated, but trust me, it's really easy. So I'm just gonna move this out of the way. I might leave this one here so you guys can see. So to begin this project, you're going to need a piece of cardstock, and this cardstock measures 8 inches by 5 3/4 of an inch. I have my scoring tool here, and on your 8 inch, you're going to score this at 2 inches, 3 3/4, 5 3/4, and 7 1/2. So turn it around, making your 5 3/4 on the top, and score this at 1 inches. Okay? Then we're going to fold all the score lines. I don't know if I mentioned that this cardstock is a Blushing Bride cardstock. We're going to cut up to the score line. This is the bottom piece of the box. Then we're going to snip off this tiny piece. We don't need this one, okay? So the next thing that we're going to do is to make an angle. See this one? This is the front of the box. And to do that, it's really easy. I'm just going to show you my template. So you're going to get a ruler and your pencil. And what I'm going to do is to make a tick or a marking from 1 inches. And then from here, it's going to be 1 inch as well. Okay, then on this score line, I don't know if you can see it, I have a long score line here. From there, we're going to make a marking for about 1 1/4 inch. Okay, and then we're going to do the same thing on the other side as well. Okay, so at this point we're just going to connect the dots so it's easier for us to cut it later on. Okay, now we're going to grab our scissors and cut this one out all the way. Then do the same thing as well on the other side. Then at this point, we're going to snip off a little bit. We're going to add a window, and so I'm just going to grab my magnetic platform, your cutting plate, then your cardstock. Be careful though that when you put this one is to make sure that they all sit properly, because what happened is that I wasted a lot of my cardstock, because when I run it through my Big Shot, some of these pieces here were like that, and we don't want that. So just make sure it sits down perfectly. Then you're going to use an oval framelits die. This is the smallest from the set. Place it right here. I don't know if you can see it, I'm just move it a little bit. Okay, just place this one right up here. Then use another cutting plate. And then run it through our Big Shot. Okay. Alright. Sorry guys, my battery died and I didn't record what I was saying, but what I did when it was off is that I added some sticky strip on this little tab down here, and then before we're going to assemble the box, we're going to attach this window sheet, and you can find this in our Crash Your Frenzy specialty DSP. Okay, let's just place it right here. Remove the backing, and then, whoops, it's really sticky. Just fold this one, just like that. At this point, we're going to close the bottom one. So what I did is that on the sides, fold this one, and then where your window sheet is, just fold that one like this and close it up. It's not going to close up entirely, but it still does the job. We're going to add a adhesive around here and on this tab. I think this time I'm going to use my Tombow Mono liquid glue. Then on this piece as well. Close this one and this one. Okay, it might wiggle a little bit, but it will dry up pretty soon. Just gonna grab my bone folder to press the glue to the cardstock. Okay, we're going to grab our sticky strip again, because we're going to add the stretch ruffle trim. Start from here and then wrap it around. Then remove the red backing tape. Oops. This is a Coastal Cabana stretch ruffle trim, and we're going to start at the back, just like that, and then wrap it around. Just follow where the sticky strip is. Okay. So for the stamping, you're going to grab a Whisper White cardstock, your stamp, and this stamp comes from the Summer Silhouette, and we're going to use this cute little flower here. And then I'm going to ink it up with a Coastal Cabana ink pad. I'm going to freehand cut this, and I'll be right back. Okay, so once you finish cutting this, just add a Stampin' Dimensionals at the back. I'm going to put it right there. And then here. Then add a rhinestone. I used the biggest one from this piece. So here's your box holder. Aren't they cute? They will look pretty in your craft desk. This one here is a, oh, I forgot, Bravo Burgundy. It's a retired color. This is Blushing Bride, Wisteria Wonder, and Summer Star Fruit. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget that you can also check out my website. I'm going to post all the measurements and the supplies. Stay crafty as always. I'll see you tomorrow for another video, and take care. Bye!